Introducing the RipeGlobal Fellowship, a dental mastery course to help you take your skills to the next level. Fellowships have been designed for individuals at all experience levels. Whether you have just graduated or have been in the industry for 10 or 20 plus years, we deliver our fellowships online to give the best learning experience and best education possible from dental educators across the globe. The courses run for 1 to 2 years, depending on the discipline, that all have fast-track options that can see you complete the course in as little as 6 months. We have devised a comprehensive framework to elevate your skills that includes lectures, pre-theory challenges, hands-on simulation training, case guidance, case presentations, mentoring, and continuous feedback. We deliver all lectures at the beginning of the course so they can be consumed in any order to accommodate your unique learning needs. Our pre-theory challenges will see you practice on a mannequin without educator guidance to establish your baseline skills. You'll submit this work to an educator who will send you recorded feedback so that you can get to the next level with minimal steps. Our hands-on training uses a simulation kit that contains a mannequin that is placed on your dental chair in your own office to replicate a live patient. You'll operate using your own equipment to best build muscle memory so that when Monday morning comes around, it's a seamless transition from operating on the mannequin to a live patient. In the training sessions, you'll get instant live feedback from dental educators that can be immediately implemented on your mannequin to maximize your learning. On top of feedback in your hands-on sessions, we also review live case presentations that you do of your own patients to help you consistently deliver the best results for your patients. And throughout all of this course, you will have 24/7 access to a global community of dental educators from all aspects of dentistry, as well as past and present fellowship students. This community of like-minded dentists will become your support group, where you can build lifelong friendships and ask questions about the course, your cases, or business advice. And once you graduate from the fellowship, you'll continue to be part of this amazing group of individuals and be able to pass on your learnings to others. Interested? Talk to our team today.